When you try to uninstall the Valorant game on your PC, you often get error messages or nothing happens. So, I get this error when I click on the uninstall button to uninstall the Valorant game. Maybe in your case, nothing happens. That is because uninstalling the Valorant game from your PC is not the most straightforward process. In this video, I'll show you the step-by-step process on how to uninstall Valorant on your PC the right way completely. The first thing you need to do is stop the Riot Vanguard anti-cheat software from running in the background. To do so, click the system tray icon in the taskbar. Right-click the Vanguard icon, and then select the Exit Vanguard option. Click Yes, and it will stop the Vanguard anti-cheat service on your PC. Once you stop the Vanguard service, the next step is to uninstall the Riot Vanguard software from your PC. Open the Settings app, navigate to the Apps page, locate Riot Vanguard in the apps list, and then click the Uninstall button. After you uninstall the Riot Vanguard software, you need to exit the Riot client from the system tray. So, I will go to the system tray, right-click on Riot client, and then exit. You're good to go ahead with the Valorant game uninstallation. So, once you're on the apps list, find Valorant, and then click on the Uninstall button. This time it will remove Valorant from your PC without showing any errors. Once Valorant is uninstalled, uninstall the Riot client, which will free up the disk space. After uninstalling Valorant, delete the leftover files. Open File Manager, go to the C drive, then just delete the Riot Games folder. Finally, restart your PC, and this will completely remove Valorant from your PC. If you find a video helpful, consider subscribing to the channel.